Here in Windows 8, if there are programs or apps that have been installed and maybe you used to use them, you no longer do, maybe you've never used them and they're just taking up space on your computer, we're going to look at ways to uninstall a program, beginning here on our Start screen. Here in the Windows 8 environment, it's really very simple to remove something you don't want. All you have to do is right-click the tile. I'm going to go to my Reader, for example. And from the app bar, you'll find something like Uninstall. Clicking it asks you to confirm by clicking the Uninstall button again, just noting that you are about to remove the app and all of its related info. I don't want to do that. I'm going to click in the background and press Escape on my keyboard. But you could do that with any of these tiles. Right-click, you'll see Uninstall on the app bar down below, and clicking it, confirming, means you're removing it from the system. But what about those apps that are running in the old desktop environment? Well, let's go to our desktop by clicking that tile. And in the old days, it was called Add Remove Programs. But from here, we can access the control panel to uninstall a program. So I'm going to go down to the bottom left corner, and when I see my Start tile appear, I'm going to right-click it and choose Control Panel from here. Now notice in the Programs section we have Uninstall a Program. And when you click that link, you're going to see all of the programs that are installed in this older environment. I have a couple. You may have more. You may not have any at this point. But all you need to do is select the one you don't want installed any longer. Maybe you're not using it or you never did. And with it selected, it's time to uninstall or change a program. That's what it says up here. What we really want to do is uninstall it. So when we click this, right at the very top, you may take a moment to analyze the program. You can see the installer language selected for me, defaulted at English. When I click OK, you'll notice it's actually going to uninstall this program for me. And again, I'm going to see where it's located, and I confirm that by clicking Uninstall. I'm going to do that. It's not a very big program. It won't take very long. I can show the details while it's working, and you can see line by line what's going on in the background before completed shows up, and my status bar is fully green. All right, I'll click Close, go back to my list of programs, and notice it's no longer installed. I've just removed it. So that's the old way of doing it. We also have the new way of doing it from our Start screen. So let's close that up, go back to our Start screen where we began. Much easier in the Windows 8 environment to right-click a tile and uninstall, but you can still uninstall those other programs running in the old desktop environment.